Welcome back to White Line Society, where today we're gonna try and kill ourselves. Well, moving for the first time.
Almost a month. First time in the new rims and tires. We didn't, we haven't worked out moving up and down the ball. It's gonna be interesting. And your fenders. You're good?
What's going on, you animals?
Hello.
Painting a quick frame there, eh?
Just quick, yeah.
Quick one, he says. Doing a quick welding job on the old Chevy here. Getting the old box side back in there, so yeah.
What's going on, boys? We're just making her look all brand new. All you need is just a can of black spray paint. Look at that.
Brand new truck, he says.
Just cover up all your rust with this. All the holes you might find, anything that might stand out to the untrained eye.
Bottom of the cab, just fucking sprayer.
Oh yeah.
Cross member, sprayer.
You don't need actual frame paint or enamel for any of this sort of thing. Don't go to your local parts store. That's junk. You got the aerosol can.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh, Steven. Oh yeah, look at that stance. Stance will make your dance.
I'm probably getting so much overspray in your truck.
Oh my god. Look at the wax. Oh lord, filthy. Fucking truck's just filthy. Oh, gee, falling apart. Just falling apart. Oh my lord. Oh god. Oh golly. What are you doing there?
I'm lowering my truck. See, this is just one of those handy lift blocks that you put in a four-wheel drive, and it separates the diff from the leaf spring. That is super hot. And well, all we're gonna do is put it on top of the leaf spring and separate the frame from the leaf spring. So usually it goes under your leaf. Today, it lives right here. Oh, it lives right there.
Super easy.
And then you can lower your truck like, I don't know,
2 inches.
2-3 inches, and hopefully still use factory U-bolts.
We were gonna run spacers on the bottom, but there was an excessive amount of thread sticking down, so
Spacers on the top.
That's how you run it.
It's basically built for it. Look at the hoops right there. It's basically just a bolt-up lowering kit. I don't even know why four-wheel drives came all jacked up like.
There we go.
Yep, they're going on. Nice. That's awesome. I'm not even gonna put a better weld on it. I'm just gonna send it.
Bars cranked in the front, lowered 2 in the rear. Once we get the box.
20x12s.
Yeah.
Total douchebag status.
Once we get the box on, she'll have a nice lean to her. fast Chevy over there.
I can't even do it.
White Line Society.
White Line Society.